Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to turn off preview on Facebook. We start by opening Facebook and clicking on the account icon. After that, click on the display and accessibility option. Here we will go to the show previews of links category, and we can choose an option to show or not a preview window on the links. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.